Hello everyone, this is Pallavi. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Telegram bot that fetches weather information using the Open Weather Map API. We'll go through the code step by step so you can understand how everything works. Coming to the setting up the environment, first we need to install the necessary packages. I'm using Node.js for this project and we'll install two key packages .env and Node Telegram Bot API. To handle API requests, we'll also use Axios. We need to run a command to install the following packages. The .env package helps us to load environment variables from a env file. So we can keep sensitive information like API keys secure. So coming to the loading environment variables, the required .env configure use it to load the environment variables from a env file into our application. Uh, It's important to keep our API keys and tokens secure, and env files are a great way to do that. So here we are fetching our Telegram bot and the Open Weather Map API key from the env file. Make sure you have added these to your env file. So now we create a instance of a Telegram bot using the Node Telegram bot API package. The polling true option will allow us our bot to continuously listen for incoming messages. So listening for the messages, here we are setting up an event listener for any message sent to the bot. Each message contains a chart ID which we'll use to respond on the text of the message, which we are treating as the location. Fetching the weather data inside the try block, we are making a request to the Open Weather Map API using Anxious. So we are passing the location as the queue parameter, our API key, and setting the temperature units to Celsius with metric. If you prefer Fahrenheit, you can change this to imperial. So preparing the response, if the API calls is successful, we extract the data from the response. This includes city name, country, temperature, weather condition, humidity, and wind speed. Then we format it into a message. So, coming to the sending of the response, the bot send message chart ID reply. This line is used to format the message back to the user using the send message method. So, handling the errors. In this case, something goes wrong, such as an invalid location. The catch block handles the error gracefully by sending an error message back to the user. Running the bot. To run the bot, save your code and execute it with Node.js. Make sure your Telegram bot token and weather API they are correct. Then open Telegram, start a chat with your bot and type in any city name to get the weather information. So this is the code for my Telegram chatbot. By using this code, I have created my Telegram chatbot. Now I'll show you my chatbot and how it works. First of all, we need to go to files, and this is in this file I have inserted my code which I use it to create a Telegram chatbot. Now we need to enter CMD. So now in the command prompt, I'll give a command which contains my file name .jas. Yes. When we get this, we it means our code is clear and and it doesn't contain any errors. So now let's get back to our Telegram. So this is the bot. In this bot, I have created my bot, and this is the username of my bot and the token that I have inserted in my code. And this is my bot. So here I have also tried some locations to check the code, my code, if it's running or not. So I have given some of the locations to get the output. So when I entered an invalid location, so it gives me the message, sorry, I couldn't find weather information for the location. Please try again later. So let's try this now in live. So now I am giving an invalid location to see how which message we are getting. So now I'll give. See now, I have entered an invalid location, so I get the message. Sorry, I couldn't find weather information for the location. Please try again. So now we need to enter a correct location. Now I'll enter a correct location name. So yeah, we get the output like the weather in Chennai. So the weather conditions in Chennai are formatted into a message and we get the output as we see in the code, like temperature, condition, humidity, and wind speed. So when we enter the wrong location, we'll get the desired message which handles the error. So when we enter the correct location, we'll get the desired output. And this is my weather bot that I have created. Thank you.